folks, Ola here, coming at you from the homestead. Hey, just a quick little video that I promised you last week. This video is just some audio comparisons between my GoPro Hero 8, my Hero 7, the Hero 7 with the external mic, the Hero 8 with the media mod, and the Hero 8 with the media mod and two different external microphones. So quite a difference, and in my opinion, I still think I kind of prefer that Rode Smart Lav microphone. It's a little lower than the rest of them, but it cuts out all external noises. And for comparisons, both of my external microphones had a dead cat. Just a small one, maybe that big, nothing humongous, but they did have a dead cat, so that cuts out some of your wind noise. So check it out. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Okay folks, here we have the GoPro Hero 7 on that side. We have the Hero 8 on this side. Both of these units are using the internal GoPro microphones. No attachments, no media mod, nothing. Just your standard mics. And it was windier this morning and now the wind has died. I was hoping to get out here for a wind test. So, how does it sound? Internal microphones on the Hero 7 black versus the Hero 8 black. Now we're doing the GoPro Hero 8 with the media mod on this side and the GoPro Hero 8 standard internal mic. So this GoPro media mod internal microphone is set to the front mic right now. There's a front and a rear and a stereo mode. So this is the GoPro Hero 8 media mod versus the GoPro Hero 8 internal microphone. How does it sound? Now I have the GoPro Hero 8 with the media mod attached and the front microphone being used versus the GoPro Hero 7 with the microphone adapter and an Adichie external shotgun mic attached. How does it sound? A versus B. GoPro Hero 8 media mod versus GoPro Hero 7 microphone adapter and external microphone attached. Testing, testing, how does it sound? Now we have the GoPro Hero 8 with the media mod and the Adichie external microphone attached. However, the microphone is facing that way. And on my left is the GoPro Hero 8 standard internal microphone. So how does this sound? GoPro Hero 8 media mod with an external Adichie microphone attached versus GoPro Hero 8 standard internal microphones. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Now I have the GoPro Hero 8 with the media mod and an external Rode Mic Plus Lavalier mic. You might even see it in the frame a little bit for lack of a place to clip it, versus the GoPro Hero 8 internal microphone. Testing 1 2 3. These cameras are side by side. How do they sound? GoPro Hero 8 media mod with an external Rode Mic Lavalier mic versus the GoPro Hero 8 internal microphone. Media mod 10 miles an hour with the front mic enabled. "10 miles an hour with the rear media mod microphone enabled." Here is the Hero 8 media mod with the external Editage microphone at 10 miles an hour. Can you hear me over the wind? Can you hear me over the wind? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Rode plus Lavalier mic in the wind. 10 miles an hour in the wind.